the Teflon drive out in. Say house on the hill, hey. As long as we are somewhere for chill, say man for ya. Big Benz and life is hard up. There is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. Say house on the hill, hey. As long as we are somewhere for chill. No one can stop my goal when I'm aiming at it. My style is different, I'm so amazing at it. The highest center grades and now I'm blazing at it. Exotic, so me drive way feel long like the Queen's Highway. Some tall palm trees where you swing both ways, all that. Mother always in a me dream. River run through me house, a man for ya. Big Benz, life is hard out. There is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. Say house on the hill, hey. As long as we are somewhere for chill, say man for ya. Big Benz, life is hard out. There is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. Say house on the hill. As long as we are somewhere for chill, all that. No one can stop my goal when I'm aiming at it. My style is different, I'm so amazing at it. The highest center gates and up I'm blazing at it. Exotic, so me drive way feel long like the Queen's Highway. Some tall palm trees where you swing both ways, all that. Mommy always in a me dream. River run through me house, so man for ya. Life is hard out. There is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. House on the hill, hey. As long as we are somewhere for chill, say man for ya. Big Benz, life is hard out. There is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. House on the hill, as long as we are somewhere for chill. Yeah, my brother sick and tell me yeah, you're lazy, you sin. Go for when me want that deep and tell myself to win. You ask me how my flow so rough for some of them, me think I do the girl, them said them love the bubble tea. Enough of them now want see your eyes on top. Give it to them all like the rain where you fall. This one and no stick, me never hear stop. Think I know the God let me touch a white heart, so man for ya. Big Benz, life is hard. Here is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. House on the hill, hey. As long as we are somewhere for chill, say man for ya. Big Benz and life is hard. Here is a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out in. Say house on the hill. As long as we are somewhere for chill, take it away now.
I feel I could have taken a little bit more of that tune.
And we have Big Benz, life is hard out.
Nice way to start.
Like
Esau with us this morning. Well, welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Welcome everyone. It is Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Wednesday, July
19?
The entire day.
Yeah.
No.
90. You can believe it so far in the month?
I can believe it.
July just went like that.
So far in the year.
Man, it's almost Christmas.
Oh, what?
It's good. It's a good week. It's a good week.
We got on black and red today.
I know. I busted door this morning and seen the red and I was like, da-da-da. Did it again.
Well, that's why I get up earlier. Come here earlier. Wake up earlier.
But now what you doing now?
It's you.
No.
It's you.
I chose my clothes from last night.
You're just one of those people that could see in the future then.
Maybe. You never know. So the show opens next week?
I come in this one.
You're right.
I said I am coming to this one.
If Never Bell does not come to my show, this show, guys, help me. You have to help me. I don't have to know. Because anytime I ask you to help me, you don't cost me. You don't cost me.
Look there. Look in that camera.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
I am coming. Don't have like, don't you know like benefit nights and stuff?
Yes, we do.
So which night is the best? You have a benefit night, you personally?
Yes, I do.
I'll come in that night. Which night is that?
The 20th. Well, you want to tell everybody when you're coming?
Yeah, I'll come in your benefit. I'm coming. Oh,
all right,
wait. Hold on. How much we going?
$1,500.
Yeah, man, we can afford that.
You can manage that. It's not going to work you.
So like, me and your friend, me not get discount and thing?
No, I saw a post recently that said that you must not beg your friends. You must support them. You must be the first one to support your friends.
I always support you.
That's true.
Right.
So this is an additional so.
Oh, it's more support. I come in that one. When is it?
It starts next week, Thursday, we open.
I'll come in. And then I shall come back and report to the people.
Exactly how you feel about it.
How good an actress you are.
All right. You never know.
or how good an actress you aren't.
Yeah, you never know.
No, but I hear say it's a big thing. And you would
Yeah.
be acting up the place if you weren't good.
Oh, try a thing, man. How you been?
I can't complain at all. Give thanks.
It's been a whole week.
Yeah, Cleveland, I can't hear nothing. Yeah? Give
No,
thanks.
we don't hear nothing.
Yeah, I can't complain at all.
Good.
Have to give thanks.
And football is at its best.
Yeah, that's... I hear myself now. I love that.
Oh, that idiot.
Music coach are bridging there.
Who that?
The guitarist.
True?
I worst ball.
But me not look like him. But me just like I said, not look like he can play ball. So I don't understand. That's why I'm going
You
music.
did not listen to me. Him is the worst baller in the entire world.
You take music
That's
feet,
the one
Dada.
here in the blue.
You take music feet,
We have to
Dada.
them now, Al. It's a good thing he can't play
No.
guitar. I can't play nothing else.
Stop it.
I'm telling you.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's not
It's-
true,
it
right?
is- I am the coach and you're asking. I'm telling you. Even though he helped me win Manning Cup still.
So then how bad could it possibly be?
Because he was on the bench and cheer on everybody.
Oh my
that is the kind of help him give it. He just sit up on the bench and say, go St. George's. Yes, yes, yes.
You know what? We're not even going to take him serious.
The only good thing
but we know
about
him
him is he's a left footer. You're a left footer, right? Him is that's the only
Oh, you
good thing
remember
about him.
all of those things?
Because I drink spirulina every day.
We can't even remember what happened yesterday.
No,
Much less.
That's what them say about them say spirulina help your memory. You think it's joke,
I thought it was ginkgo biloba that helped you, remember?
maybe that too, but I don't forget anything. I try my best to forget him and it's
I'm not going to make him easier for you.
Me still
What's up on the show
I
this
still
morning?
can't
yes?
forget him. But he's a good baller. Tease me a tease. Good baller. And a very good guitarist. And I see him sing a while ago. I try mash up piece of tune. But he said, I make the man sing no more. I bet you just send for me to come over there, come deal with it. Tell the people now.
I tell you to say what's on the show. So, we know Airbnb, but how is this online bed and breakfast affecting Jamaica's tourist sector? We're going to get an economical take on that later on.
You know where the biggest one is?
Where?
Trenchtown.
A lie.
I'm serious. The air, that
I
is,
guess because
people
of
rent
Bob
out their
Marley, they want
rooms,
to
which is what
be-
we're talking about.
yeah.
We'll rent out about a little bit more. But seriously, the biggest area of that in Jamaica is in Trenchtown.
Nice. They want an actual experience.
Yeah, man.
That's cool.
man.
That's cool.
If I never have to register and do all kind of things, come here, a little room here, I rent out quietly and make money, you know.
Yeah.
But apparently you have to register, them have to come check your yard. to
They
see.
you don't think so they want to come check to see what the people want
Why?
to stay?
The-
Suppose a bear cockroach and thing, then make sure say if them put it up, please be aware that there are cockroaches here.
So
Walk
I would live in a place where I have beer cockroach.
I'm just saying that they need to be aware of where they're going to
If the
place
people in my fire never know, say me have a room, everybody that want to come stay in my yard.
I believe so.
I know.
The
So.
whole of them can't hold though.
I don't rent out my room. I'm going to talk to my landlord first. It's not my room, right? Then, folks, we highlight the young ones from Denham Town Primary. They're shining bright, and we're shedding a light on just how later on. They're doing brilliantly down there.
Then after that, the spotlight hits Mento when we take a look at this old-time music forum as we count down again to Jamaica 55.
Why are we celebrating 55?
We celebrate every year. Every year is a year that needs
Don't
to be
you celebrate
celebrated.
like 25?
Yeah,
like
I
silver,
asked the
then
same
you go
question
50.
too. I didn't understand
so why
why we
are
were
celebrating?
having...
What is so specific about 55?
I don't know, but I just took it as every year we need to celebrate. And
Yeah. but we
since
need
it's
to
them go
spend
5
money.
by 5. Like how I have a party for my daughter at 5 and then I tell her she not have none till she at 10. I guess 5 is a holistic number.
So why she can't have a birthday when she's 6?
Come can't afford it.
So how you know you can't afford 10?
Because that's 5 years to save in between every birthday. Not Thank you, Marvin.
No, man, your daughter must have a
5 years. All right, well, you can do it. She said she want trolls, so deal with that then.
All right, so me now go come at the thing again and me give her money there for the
The
party.
$1,500 cash.
And the Norman Manley International Airport and the JCDC are celebrating Jamaica at home and abroad for Jamaica 55.
Which is the theme this year. And Jamaica isn't the only one celebrating the 55th. The National Dance Theatre Company of Jamaica is too, and we're going to hear their plans.
So
That
them
sound
could
like
have
a
changed. Them could have changed the festival tune that says give thanks and praise. We are 25.
55.
Don't look at us bring back that one and
Give
change it.
thanks and praises.
We are 55.
We are 55.
They're the same thing.
Could that work?
We didn't say that at 35.
Give thanks and praises.
And 45.
We are. You let me catch one before you
And
change.
105.
No, that's not gonna work. That's too much syllable.
Plans to revamp your wardrobe, folks. Dooley well. Natalia O has the looks from Max's that you're gonna love. But before she gets those looks
Yeah.
going, we have some hot topics for you. Let's go there.
I said that? Oh.
So I didn't know there were fraudulent activities at Western Union. So
Yep.
I'm now learning that the Grace Kennedy Money Services are the agents of Western Union. They've closed 6 of the remittance outlets. As it says, they seek to combat fraud across its network. So 3 of the outlets are in Montego Bay, 1 in Falmouth, 1 in Brownstown, the other in Spanish Town. They say they've decided to close these locations because of an unusually high number of suspected fraudulent transactions being reported. I don't even understand that.
Yeah,
I mean,
I
I understand what they mean, but I don't understand that.
This is one of the way how the scammer them work, you know.
Oh.
Contact people overseas and
Yeah.
say, you know, send money to so and so and so and so. And then the people them send the money and them go collect it.
I've always
Under the
found
guise
it,
of being that person or...
I've always found it interesting that if I'm sending something like to my kids, there's a thing on the paper that says like where you get the money from. Like, you know.
Them
so
ask you that all the time.
I know. But
And it's on everything too, like if
I
you're
know.
buying higher person.
So usually I just put salary. But what you think are that right?
I stole it. I know. I asked the same question too.
No, serious.
Now, what would I tell you?
So when
I
them put
took it
source
out of somebody's
funds,
pocket.
When would I put?
Borrowed.
By ATM or something. So?
Borrowed.
Borrow? That, I don't understand that. Everybody now just put salary and
Everybody will do the
and
same
you going
thing.
to prove whether it's
Can't
the salary
prove
or
it.
it's not the salary?
I can't prove it. I don't know the point of that question either. I actually agree with you on that one.
Me I'll try that thing next. I bet them don't even notice it.
Where you gonna put on it next time?
Me just put something funny.
Like what?
Sakina give me. Or something. I bet them don't even notice it.
Yeah, put that. Put that.
Them say source of fund, me just say Sakina.
Oh God, Zakina, did you give never bell? What?
I don't understand that question.
Yeah.
I love this next one.
Yeah,
though.
the next one says the first Kaya Ganja Cafe for St. Anne.
I like that.
Yeah, you know what Kaya means?
Yeah, beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
Kaya means marijuana. A
Kaya
joke.
means
Kaya means beautiful. And of course, so the name
Marijuana
of
have so
the
much
place
name.
is Beautiful Marijuana
Yeah,
Cafe.
Kaya mean, and it was Bob Marley, the name of Bob Marley's album.
Right, and it's gonna open in St. Anne, and they said they're gonna sing for me. Sing.
Got to have Kaya now. You see if that man there work with me, but I start run a rhythm area. That me tell you that the man what listen, they start singing and the man just
Oh,
fool the man
what do
and
you?
look at me.
No,
How you
man,
make that, man? Me I
I'm
sing and the man
probably
they
not.
set up a look at before the man start and make a deal with it.
They said they're gonna offer medicinal marijuana products legally, of course, to tourists and locals for consumption inside
That
the
is
herb
that
house.
is legal already.
Here's the thing.
This thing is legal already.
I am not exactly sure. Remember when we interviewed,
He says we have applied to the CLA and part of that process includes that of preparing to hire the right people for the job as we continue to build our team. So he says he plans to hire a manager, head chef, human resource manager, several bud tenders. Who would be a bud tender,
person
please?
who go groom it out into the
Retail sales, master cultivators, therapists, tour guides, and customer service staff.
Listen to this though. It says the gentleman, Mr. Vaswani, also operates Ganja Labs based on the campus of UTEC. The lab operates under the UTEC Medical Marijuana Research License granted by the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology. So I'm guessing because it's medicinal and it's through the university, then that's the legality of it.
You know something I don't understand? I remember my brother Simon used to say this long time. So we are the biggest ganja people in the world, and we are behind everybody else in the world in its use, in its medical use, in the way we deal with it. We're behind everybody. Serious.
Yeah, Amsterdam is like, shoo.
We're behind everybody. I don't understand.
Question, do you think that if we started using it in this way, that we would earn more money than the other countries who are pushing
I'm certain.
it? Why? Because isn't it when something is
Illegal.
prohibited, I'm not going to say illegal, but when it's prohibited,
It is illegal
that
still.
it's sought after?
Yeah, but there are legal ways to earn from it. You know, say plenty people and plenty tourists come to Jamaica just for ganja. I'm serious.
It's true.
It's like them don't feel say them smoke a spliff until them smoke the spliff from where it really supposed to smoke from.
I suppose.
So them say I'm going to, it's just the ganja them come from. And get well clean and go back home.
What's that choice of words?
Well,
Up walk? Welcome.
All right, what else is going on now? This one is great news, eh?
Yes, there was a transplant. The first child in the world to undergo a double hand transplant. Yup, you heard it, both hands. It was successful, and now he's able to write, feed, and dress himself. And isn't that awesome?
Beautiful.
After 18 months. It was done 18 months ago, and now
Beautiful.
he's made all of that progress. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. That just makes me feel like, you know, there's hope for people who
Beautiful.
have that kind of disability. Look at that, look at that.
Yeah, man, that's wonderful. Fantastic.
This
Great
future
news.
is going to be so different now.
Yep, yep. All right.
Congrats to you guys.
Okay, have some birthdays.
You have lots?
Not really. I did tell you, say the great and outstanding Esau come from Vinatown.
No, I didn't tell
So
me.
from before me even hear him sing, I know say wicked, wicked, wicked man.
Okay, so anything that comes from Vineyardtown,
Of
wicked,
course.
wicked, wicked, wicked.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And I wasn't disappointed when I heard him. I'm very impressed with it.
We like the song.
Look, I can now eat from morning still. He's not a fat man, quietly. Some, you know.
But you can't tell nobody so they're not fat.
Him can't do too much movement out the road with breeze up. You ever got time down on the stage?
By the way, Uno don't even laugh, because if you take a look at Devil
I'm serious.
ain't
You know, them have
fat.
them breeze blowing thing when them put on stage and you hear. Them better try that with this side. Pick one have to pick him up in a VIP, you know. You know that. But I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the song. No, I am very impressed. I like him so.
Birthday time.
All right, belated birthday. I suppose they said it yesterday, but I wasn't here and I want to say it because she gave me my tea.
Yes, I want to say
Dockery,
too.
Evadne Dockery. It was her birthday yesterday. And Miss Doc said somebody tell her to tell me to heal the person because she watched the show, man. But Miss Doc said she don't remember your names. So if you're watching, the lady who tell Miss Doc to tell me to heal you up, I am healing you up. But I don't know where you come from. I don't know what is in there. Because Miss Doc forget because it was her birthday. She had other things. And also, belated happy birthday to Jibril Blackstock. I love that name. He's 8 years old. Yeah. But it's spelled D-J-I. So I hope it's Jibril. Bridget Simon will explain to me if I got it wrong.
If it's not Jibril?
That's what I say. Jibril. It's Jibril.
Moss.
Jibril Blackstock. He was 8. So your Uncle Simon, love you like crazy. I know you had a great day, and I wish you so many, many, many more. Okay. 8 years old is a very good age. I would have just sit down there for a couple of years and go over there. You know, so from them stop lift you up and all kind of thing.
Life over. It's not.
Yeah, have it?
No, the one that I have, I'm waiting for her mother to actually send me her name.
Oh.
So, but you notice since you say them not even jump on the music, they start playing my ear like a ping, ping.
Yeah, man, that's the same going, man. Happy birthday, folks. Have a brilliant day today.